We're standing here, mamish a few minutes away from Borough Park at the tip of Flatbush over here by the beautiful bay, by the water. Who has to travel to Florida for a good vacation? You have a beautiful water right here, and you have a gorgeous restaurant right on the corner, which will show you the Bay Café. Kevin, let me take you inside. So here we are at the Bay Café and Restaurant, 2 Neptune Avenue, right across the bay. Let's check it out, guys. This is gonna be epic. All right. So Koid Mikol, you have the Hechsher, it's okay. And let's check it out. How are you, Mendel?
Hi. Welcome to Bay Café.
Welcome. Tune the Michael. Clip the Michael onto your shirt over there, nice and easy. Wow, Mendel, this is gorgeous. Beautiful cafe. I love the fact that it's just like right at a Borough Park, right out of Flatbush. So if a person doesn't want to have that, restaurant in the city, in Flatbush, in Borough Park, he goes a little out, 10-15 minute drive, and you come to this gorgeous place.
Chaim, the people from Flatbush and Borough Park should to know about this place.
They have to know about this place. There's a secret gem here. Mendy brought me to a secret gem. And this video is going to get the people from Borough Park and Flatbush to come to this place. So I love this place.
Chaim, for you, everything.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Mendel, wow, what did you prepare for me here, Mendel?
So you can see the big carpaccio.
Carpaccio, beet carpaccio.
French fries.
Wow, truffle, look at that. Look at those truffle fries. Get my kick. Wie suchst du das? Mendel. That's it.
Margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza. Looks delicious over there.
Handmade.
You think everything over here is fresh made? In the kitchen. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. And what's this?
It's
avocado toast. Wow, this looks like a delicious avocado toast. Oh, look what he brought over here. Look what he brought over. What is this? Blue. Wow, get back, kick. These guys don't play games here, Mendel. Kick, he's not stopping. He's not stopping, this guy.
Oh.
Wow.
I think it's hachipuri.
How do you say this?
Brazilian dish.
Hashipuri? Say it again. Hashipuri.
It's the Brazilian dish.
Brazilian dish. Let's sit down. Wow.
Yeah.
Get back, kick. All right, Mendel, what are you going to eat first? What am I going to eat first? How's this going to work?
Okay. So let's start from big carpaccio.
Big carpaccio? No, I'm going to start with the truffle. Wow. It's delicious.
Crunchy.
Love that crunch. This guy's not stopping.
So this is gnocchi with
Wow.
pesto sauce
Get a kick of that. Wow, pesto sauce. That looks delicious.
and spaghetti pomodoro.
How do you say it? Say it again.
Spaghetti pomodoro.
Spaghetti
Pomodoro.
from Pomero.
Wow.
That just looks heaven.
See the presentation of the
Presentation of the dishes, Mendel, the way it looks, the way it's displayed. The carpaccio, truffles. Get a kick over there. So Mendel. Okay, Mendel, let's go for this. Wow. This is something else. Wow, I'm scared to eat lasagna. I remember Curious George used to eat this. But this looks amazing. Kevin, this is a no-brainer. This place has, I'll just tell you the benefits about this place. This is your place, so you'll tell me the benefits after. But first I'm going to start with saying the reason I would love to come here, and all my followers from Borough Park, Flatbush, and even Staten Island, Canarsie, Lakewood, why would you come here? This is out of the neighborhood. It's in kind of next to Manhattan Beach, next to Brighton Beach. It's not in Flatbush, it's not in Borough Park, so you're looking to get away. Somebody once told me he loves traveling to restaurants because the drive in the car itself is a vacation. So you get into your car, you drive 10 to 15 minutes from Borough Park and Flatbush. It's right across the water, so you can take a nice, beautiful walk. I showed them before the water right over there. Mm-hmm. Gorgeous bay, gorgeous water to take a walk around. Then you can come sit down. In the winter, it's indoors. In the summer, you have gorgeous outdoor seating. Delicious food, stunning food. This is just really good. Really presented well. The customer service, Mendel, unreal. And the best of all is the prices are amazing. And if you mention the Chaim Perlowitz status,
you get a free dessert.
A free dessert.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, Mendel. So mention the Chaim Perlowitz status when you come in over here and you get a free delicious dessert, Chevre. No way, no way, no way. There's no room on the table. This guy doesn't stop. What is this?
Baked mushroom.
Baked mushrooms?
Yes.
Baked mushrooms.
Thank you.
Look at, grab that over there. Mendel, what bracha do you make of this?
Adom.
Adama. Baruch atah. Wow. There's something else.
Birthday parties.
I don't believe it. Oh, a minute. Wait a minute. This is the show. I told you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You know what? You could bring more. You could bring more. Look at that.
This is butternut.
What is that?
Butternut squash soup.
So that's a real butternut.
Yes. It's delicious.
Wow. Kevin, look at that.
Enjoy.
The cover goes on. The cover comes off. This is a real butternut. The soup is in the squash.
Yeah. So if you want to take it to go.
So you can take it to go like that. Wow. Okay. I hope you told him to stop already because this is seriously. This is just out of control, man. I'm gonna have to go to the gym after this. All right. So you have special for my followers. You mentioned the Chaim Perlowitz status for a free dessert. Hatzal members 10% off. Guys, this is just a no-brainer. It's quiet. It's beautiful. It's located just out of Borough Park. I love the atmosphere. It's a chilled, nice atmosphere. At night, you dim the lights probably. It gets nice and dark. And wants to come meet, dates or whatever it is. This is just the place.
Birthday parties.
Birthday parties.
Optional.
Absharen. Bar mitzvah, bat mitzvah, sheva brachas.
Everything. Sheva brachas. Yeah, we have a lot of sheva brachas here.
Nice.
Once a week.
Once a week of sheva brachas. Well, after my video goes out, it's going to be about 4 times a week. You ready?
Sure.
All right. Wow.
Hi, how is everything? So,
Delicious. Oscar, what should I tell you? Delicious.
guys, I'm gonna make coffee. You wanna go with me to make coffee? Turkish coffee, which is delicious.
You're going to make me a Turkish coffee?
Yes.
How do you make it? Something different?
Yes, it's really different. It's real Turkish coffee.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will be
Come with
easier
me.
So, okay, let's go check out how you make my coffee, Oscar. Okay, Oscar, so show me what you're going to do over here.
Okay, we need water to put here. This 300 degrees.
300 degrees?
Yes.
Wow. So, what is this?
It's sand.
Sand. So you
Yes.
put the hot water, you put the water in the hot sand, 300 degrees, and it cooks the water?
Yes. And then we have to put 2 spoons of coffee,
Turkish coffee?
Turkish coffee, which is delicious. And then we have to wait
Now we have to wait.
until this mantle.
So it's going to melt in there?
Yes.
Wow, look at that, Javi. You hear the sizzling over there? The sand is 300 degrees. Never heard of this before. This is super cool. Super cool, Oscar.
Yes, it's delicious. You have to try.
Oh wow, Turkish coffee made the real way. The real way. Wow, you hear that, guys? Look at that. This is something I never saw. I've been in many restaurants. This is something I never saw.
It's okay. It's almost ready.
It's almost ready. Wow, look at that.
We have to put
Wow, look at the heat over there coming out of the cup. Wow, look at that. Look at that bubbling. Look how it's bubbling. Look at that, guys. It's literally bubbling over there. Wow. So you say this is something else, this. Anybody ever saw this in their life? This is just incredible. This is delicious. Wow. Oh wow, so that's for me, Oscar, yeah?
enjoy.
Let me make a shackle on this. Is it very hot, Oscar?
It's very hot.
Okay, but we're gonna try it, all right? Have a look at this, look at this, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh wow, this is special, Oscar. This is delicious.
Thank you.
I never tasted anything like this.
really
Guys,
good.
make sure you try this when you come out here. So it's the Turkish coffee, right?
Turkish coffee.
Turkish
It's really
coffee made
delicious.
special by Oscar.
Only in Bay Café.
In sand, only in Bay Café. You don't find this anywhere in the world. Everybody sees my video and the stuff is still on the table. Come out here.
Come help us.
Come help us finish this over here because we're gonna have a hard time.
And we have mashgiach tmidi, pasta straw, challah straw, and kemach yoshem.
Wow, mishkech. To me, Mendel, besides your promotions, I like to do a giveaway with my guys, with my followers. Let's do this giveaway, okay? We have so many delicious foods here on the table. If anybody can name me what all the foods are called, what all the dishes are called, send me a message to 347-563-5219. That's my phone number. Send me a WhatsApp text of the food names of all the dishes on the table with the drinks, what the names are. They go into a raffle for a free supper in Bay Café. We have a deal?
Yes.
Okay, let me go it over. Guys, look at this, check it out. 1 dish, 2, 3, 4. This is good. Wow. Look at this. Soup. Look at the soup. 5, 6, 7. Wow, check it out. 8, 9, drink 1, and 10. Guys, let me know for a free supper. Right, Mendel?
Oh, yes.
Look at this place, guys. Check in, say so to my status. Thank you so much for hosting me here, Mendel. And have a great day, Mendel. Chazak Baruch.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.